Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I just wanted to start off that the market is closed today, which is completely fine. President's Day is today, so we are not going to be open today. I think today at 6:30 in the morning the market's actually going to close, and then it's not going to be open till later today. I think around 3 o'clock in the afternoon when the SPX or futures actually opens up. But with that being said, the only reason I'm making this video is because last week I did tell you guys that we might close a bear week sometime this week or next week, and it looks like we might actually close it this week. There's that little green bubble that I've been telling you guys about. We're essentially on a perfect sell. Again, if you want my indicators or the strategy that I use to go from 4K to now about, almost like $4 million, I will definitely be releasing a new format. I made my decision on what I'm going to do. The Patreon's going to stay, but I am going to be releasing everything in one package as a course. I'm still trying to figure out where to actually put it, but I'm going to be building my own website and publishing that sometime in the next maybe week or so. And then I'm actually, for those of you that don't know, just got a new job. I'm not going to say where, but I am going to be, I'm a data engineer, so I will be starting a new job as an engineer. I'm not going to say where, but I will be having a week off from the 27th of February, I think. Yeah, the 27th to March 3rd. So I am looking at going live every single day from, maybe 6:30 in the morning when market opens all the way up until 1 p.m. Maybe a little bit afterwards just to get an overview of what happened during the market and stuff. And it'll definitely help just so I can start logging stuff as well. So big shout out to MG from the Patreon because I know he definitely logs like a whole bunch, and I should definitely start doing that because I know it helps. But with that being said, again, this is not going to be a really big TA video. It's really more so what I think is going to happen and what the potential is for the drop for the market. I am going to be officially bearish once this closes. But which is probably going to be Friday. And again, this is a rough estimate of what we can drop to and what kind of percentage we can see, what kind of major drop we can see, right? So if we do this, again, running all drops together on every single perfect weekly close, right? I wouldn't consider those perfect, but let's go with this one, perfect week close right there. From that wick all the way down to there, and then a perfect entry right here as well from that high wick all the way down to there, to that low wick. So again, it looks like our average drops are $70 in 50 days, $70 in 28 days, $70 in 50 days, and then $30 in 14 days. I would probably go more with this one, the $30 drop in 2 weeks, because it looks like that might be the more likely. I don't think that we're going to drop $70 in 49 days, but we can run both, right? So 14 days, $30 drop, which would be here, right? Like a $300 drop around there. And then again, in 49 days, which seems to be the pretty good average right there, 49 days. Yeah, it should be 49. And we would see like a $70 drop, like a $72 drop, somewhere around there, right? Let's go with $70, right? So looking at the average drops from the reverse MACD, and again, if you guys want this, I will be releasing a course. I don't know where I'm going to publish it yet, but I will definitely update you guys. But it seems like this would be potential targets for the next, possibly 2 months, 3 months or so. Right, I think max it would be April 9th, which would be a drop to like 336, which would be absolutely ridiculous, and it would be completely insane to actually see a drop that far down. But that's the forecast as of right now. Well, actually, as of Friday, if Friday we actually do close that bear trigger, minimum, my forecast would be 377, possibly 375, 372 by early March. That would be the forecast if we actually do close that bear trigger. I would probably get like 2 month outputs for like, I don't know, for at the money maybe, and then just kind of chill, right? I don't really need to do too much in the market because I know for a fact that we're probably going to drop pretty hard, right? Again, you did break the long-term trend to the upside. So minimum, I do see us dropping down to $400 soonish. But once this weekly bear closes on Friday, it's hard to ignore. I would definitely turn 100% bearish, and I'd say my target is anywhere between 336 to 377, essentially. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.